Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly. And remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. A bright white stage is waiting quietly, like a tiny theater before the curtain opens. Nothing is drawn yet, but imagination is already tiptoeing in. Who will come to sing today? The crayons whisper. The paper smiles in its own blank way, ready for a funny friend to appear.
Okay.
A round little snout pops onto the page first, followed by a big, soft head shape. It looks like a friendly balloon, leaning forward to say hello. Boop, says the snout, as if it has a tiny joke inside. The character is not finished yet, but the fun has begun. Now 2 curious eyes appear, and 3 little ear shapes bounce on top like happy springs. The face looks around and thinks, "Where am I? Is this a party?" The little snout points forward proudly, and the new friend seems ready to discover music, laughter, and maybe a big smile curves across the face, and a round cheek appears like a soft bubble of joy. Suddenly, the little singer looks cheerful and kind. La la la, she almost says, even without a microphone. Her eyes sparkle with surprise, as if she just heard the fun. A simple dress shape is added under the smiling head, and now our friend can stand tall like a tiny superstar. She looks ready to walk onto a stage made of paper. The dress swishes quietly, saying, "I am ready for the show." Everyone waits to see what comes next. Hooray! A microphone appears in her hand. Now the little singer can share her happy voice. She holds it close and grins as if she is about to sing a silly song about cupcakes, puddles, and giggling shoes. The microphone shines with pretend music, and the stage feels much more exciting. One arm stretches out to the side like she is greeting a big crowd. "Hello, everybody," she seems to say. Her microphone hand stays ready, and her smile grows even brighter. She is not just standing anymore. She is performing, waving, and inviting everyone to clap along with the beat.
Yes!
Cute circles appear on her dress, turning it into a cheerful polka dot costume. The spots look like little bubbles dancing across the fabric. Pop, 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 they giggle. Our singer feels extra fancy now, as if her dress was made especially for a joyful concert full of smiles. Tiny legs and shoes arrive, and a curly little tail peeks out from the side. Now she can wiggle, step, and bounce to her own music. Her feet look ready for a gentle tap dance. The tail curls like a question mark, asking, "Shall we sing louder? Shall we dance faster?" More dress details appear, and the little singer becomes even cuter. Her feet stand firmly, her arm waves happily, and her microphone waits for the first big note. She looks proud, like she practiced all morning. The polka dots cheer. Go, go! A long microphone cord curls down like a wiggly noodle, and sweet hearts float around her. The hearts seem to say, "We love your song already." Our singer smiles at the floating shapes and feels brave. The music has not even started, but the audience of hearts is already clapping. Soft colors begin to peek in, and the hearts turn rosy and warm. The microphone gets a happy pink glow, and the dress starts to shine with gentle yellow circles. Our little star looks surprised by all the love around her. She sings a tiny note, and every heart bounces with delight. A pretty eyelash appears, giving our singer an extra sparkle. She looks sweet, confident, and ready for her big song. The microphone is still close, and her smile says, "I can do this." Even without full color yet, she already feels like the happiest performer on the whole paper stage. More hearts float in from every side, filling the space with love and cheer. They flutter like tiny balloons at a birthday party. The singer lifts the microphone and imagines the crowd singing with her. Her polka dot dress sways, and the curly cord dances along like a silly black ribbon. The happy hearts keep floating, and our singer looks almost ready for the grand finale. She stands tall, smiling softly, with one hand open to the crowd. The microphone cord wiggles beside her, and the polka dots wait for color. Everything feels calm, exciting, and full of cheerful music.
Okay.
Ta-da! The little singer is fully colored in bright pink and red, with sunny yellow spots and lovely pink hearts all around. She holds her microphone proudly and sings her happiest song. The hearts bounce, her dress shines, and everyone cheers.